Are you looking to lose weight, increase your energy levels, and improve your overall health? If so, the keto diet may be just what you need. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the keto diet for beginners. Hello, welcome to the Focus on Health channel. I'm Sophia. Before we start, I kindly ask you to like this video because it will show YouTube that this content is relevant to people. Thank you very much. Now, let's get to today's topic. The keto diet has gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to be effective for weight loss, reducing inflammation, and improving overall health. If you're new to the keto diet, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the keto diet for beginners. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that is designed to put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When you follow the keto diet, you drastically reduce your carbohydrate intake and replace it with healthy fats. This causes your body to use fat for fuel instead of glucose, which is the main source of energy for your body when you eat a high-carbohydrate diet. How does the keto diet work? When you reduce your carbohydrate intake, your body will start to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. This process is called ketosis. When your body is in ketosis, it produces molecules called ketones, which are used for fuel instead of glucose. By eating a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet, you can put your body into a state of ketosis, which can lead to weight loss and other health benefits. What foods should you eat on the keto diet? When you're on the keto diet, you should focus on eating healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. You should also eat moderate amounts of protein, such as meat, fish, and eggs. It's important to limit your carbohydrate intake, so you should avoid foods that are high in carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. What foods should you avoid on the keto diet? On the keto diet, you should avoid foods that are high in carbohydrates, such as bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. You should also limit your intake of fruits, as they contain natural sugars that can raise your blood sugar levels. Additionally, you should avoid processed foods and foods that are high in trans fats, such as fried foods and baked goods. What are the benefits of the keto diet? The keto diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss, reducing inflammation, and improving overall health. Some other benefits of the keto diet include increased energy levels, improved mental clarity and focus, reduced cravings for sugar and carbohydrates, lowered blood sugar and insulin levels. Are there any risks to the keto diet? Like any diet, the keto diet can come with risks. Some people may experience the keto flu, which is a group of symptoms that can occur when your body is adjusting to the diet. These symptoms can include headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Additionally, the keto diet can be difficult to follow long-term, as it requires a significant lifestyle change. How do you get started on the keto diet? If you're interested in trying the keto diet, it's important to talk to your healthcare provider first. They can help you determine if the keto diet is right for you and provide guidance on how to get started. You can also find resources online, such as meal plans and recipes, to help you get started on the keto diet. If you want to learn more about the keto diet, visit my website by clicking on the link in the description. Tips for success on the keto diet. If you decide to try the keto diet, there are a few tips that can help you be successful. Meal prep. Plan your meals in advance and prepare them ahead of time to ensure that you have healthy, keto-friendly meals available. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins and support your body's natural detoxification process. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your weight loss and how you feel on the keto diet to stay motivated and adjust your approach if necessary. Get support. Join a keto support group or find a friend who is also following the diet to help you stay accountable and motivated. Common mistakes to avoid on the keto diet. When starting the keto diet, there are some common mistakes that you should avoid to help you be successful. Eating too much protein. Consuming too much protein can prevent your body from entering ketosis, so it's important to stick to moderate protein intake. Not eating enough healthy fats. Your body needs healthy fats to enter ketosis and stay in that state, so be sure to consume enough healthy fats. Not staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and can help alleviate some of the symptoms of the keto flu. Eating too many processed foods. While there are some keto-friendly processed foods available, it's important to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods to ensure that you're getting all of the nutrients your body needs. The keto diet can be an effective way to lose weight, improve overall health, and reduce inflammation. By focusing on healthy fats, moderate protein, and limiting carbohydrates, you can put your body into a state of ketosis and experience the many benefits of the keto diet. If you're interested in trying the keto diet, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider first and follow these tips for success. And remember, if you want to learn more about the keto diet, visit my website by clicking on the link in the description of this video. Now, if this video helped you in any way, please like and share it with other people who might also need this type of content. Thank you for watching.